Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to fix the Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes Store error. So let's get started. Firstly, go to the App Store on your mobile device. Inside App Store, simply tap on your name at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on your name on the top. Then it will ask for your Face ID, Touch ID or your password. Then tap on the Manage Purchase option available there. Here you can simply add a new payment method by deleting the previous one. Sometimes issues like this can occur if the payment methods are not properly updated, and updating the details manually to the Apple ID may fix your problem as well. However, if you don't want to use Apple's official website, you can also view and update your details directly from your App Store. So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.